Okay, we're going this way.
Where do you smoke how for the dogs?
Come on, this way.
Yeah. Why did you waste?
Watch where you're going. There you go. Watch out, you ran over your sister. I like your makeup. Oh my goodness, you girls. Come on.
This is soft.
Oh my goodness. You guys are still. There you go. That bag's bigger than she is. Isn't that funny? Well, they crawl in the suitcases and push each other around the house. They're silly. Let's go. Out we go. Thank you. You two be careful, Mel. You don't fall down. Come on, Gianna. There you go. Okay. Woo, it's so cold. And then the Tesla's getting towed. Why? Because you have a flat tire. Oh my gosh. I don't know. You know, it's just the way the days go. Yay! Nice and neat, but look at that. There's already a whole sink full. My trash is full. I mean, it's constant. I cleaned out the dog room this morning, which is my laundry room, and got them a new little bed, and already had a dog run away. Are y'all in here? So, there they are. There they are. Hi, babies. They got their heater going, their floor's clean, their bedding is clean. You know, just trying to stay on top of things. And I don't do that very well, apparently. I mean, look at this. What the heck? Those are coats and backpacks, and it was clean last night. I give up. I give up. I cannot keep up. Girls, what's your secret? I need to know. Get it this time. All right, so there's the corner that was such a mess. I got it cleaned up. Look at that. Not bad, huh? And, you know, it's kind of clean. I'm done. I'm spent. I'm over it. I've been sweeping and mopping and cleaning and doing laundry and picking up, and the girls have kind of been picking up and making more messes along the way, because that's what 3-year-olds do. So tomorrow, Rose, our housekeeper that used to come and clean this house when we lived here previously, and then they cleaned the house that we moved out of a year ago as well, she's got several ladies that clean for her. They do a fantastic job. If you ever need a housekeeper, I know a good one. So she's going to come out tomorrow and assess the damages here and see if we can get back on her schedule at least twice a month. Yeah, it's time. I'm so sick of all of it, like the mirrors, and we've got a lot of mirrors, like big mirrors, big, tall, floor to ceiling kind of things, and just big mirrors, and lots of bathrooms and things. And um, it's time to have a little bit of help because this mom was going a little crazy with all the cleaning. And every time you go to clean a room, they follow behind you and mess it up. And you just can't like stay on top of it. And I am not one to whine. No, I'm not. I don't mind doing it because I'm a stay-at-home mom, but it is nice to have somebody come in if you've never had that, and just really do a deeper clean twice a month. And especially with littles, I mean, like they touch everything, the cabinets, the refrigerator, the windows, the doors, the handles, the this, the that. There's fingerprints, which I love. I've got some permanent ones here in this house, some permanent little handprints that I will treasure for the rest of my life. But for the ones that aren't permanent, it would be nice that they get cleaned up a couple times a month. And when someone else comes into your house, they see things you don't. And so it's always nice to have a different set of eyes coming in and cleaning and making it right. And then when you come home, it's like, whoa, the house is clean. You didn't have to do it. You can sit down and relax for the evening, once or twice a month. I think it's okay. So, yay! Rose is coming back. I'll see you tomorrow, Rose. Yes, yes, yes. Housekeeping. Yes, I love it. I love it. Call me pampered. I don't care. I'm going to say they're tired. You hear that? See? Was it good? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Good ice cream. You still got the shell left. All the chocolate. Look, it looks like a boat. What?
We're gonna meet that.
She's pretty crafty. I don't know how she did that.
I just booked it.
That's really good. Well, supper was good tonight, huh? You even got ice cream? What? And gymnastics was good?
No, it isn't.
Who did a cartwheel?
Me.
Oh, whatever. Did you do a cartwheel?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, you'll have to show me. Here it is, bedtime. I already tucked him in more than once. And she's back. You need to go to bed, please. I'm getting secrets. Okay, it's time to go to bed. You guys have school in the morning, okay? Okay, go jump in bed or I'm going to shut off your TV. Let's go. Go. Run, run, run. There you go. We'll see how long it lasts. Probably not long. And then somebody else can come out here because that's the way it works. I'm so excited tomorrow about Rose coming. I can hardly stand myself. And the kids got a nice nap in the car today. You saw that? Even snoring. Wasn't that the funniest thing? And then ice cream after dinner. Hey, who doesn't like that? Haagen-Dazs bars. I told you somebody else would be out here. What's wrong?
Hurt me again.
Okay, where? I'll kiss it. Okay. You guys start getting along. Leave your nose alone. Okay? Okay. Goodness. Okay, go hop in bed. Atta girl, I love you. I don't know how many times a night you get to tuck them in. I guess that's a blessing, because soon they'll be all grown up and I won't get to tuck them in anymore. It's just the crying and fighting that they do, you know, and they have a Jack and Jill bath in between bedrooms. So they go the girls' room and the boys' room and the bathroom in between. And it's just a constant until they finally have their melatonin moment and go night-night. So we'll see how long it lasts. Oh my goodness. So what else is tomorrow is just Rose coming by and me finishing up some stuff. And then the next day, I'm taking the puppies to a new groomer. I know they're hairless. I get it. But you still have to groom them. And I haven't. I am ashamed to say in a year. Their claws are like across the floor. It's awful. Poor babies. I've been a bad dog mom since I got my littles. But they're going, now they have had baths. I will say I have given them baths and I wash their bedding. And, you know, they're in and out of the house and they're clean babies. But there's been no, and I have trimmed them. I am not a dog groomer by any means, and these poor babies get the awfulest haircuts. You know, those things happen. So Wednesday, they'll have a professional bath and nail clipping at least. Maybe a trim on their face. I don't know. We'll see how it works out. I'm kind of excited for them. Okay, why are you back? This iPad is dead. This iPad is dead, right? Isn't that what we decided?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's not. Okay, there it is. It's on.
Mommy's push the buttons.
You want me to push the buttons?
Mm.
Okay. There you go. Oh my gosh, you know so many neat tricks. When I grow up, I want to know tricks like that. You think I'll learn tricks like that when I grow up?
You want to be a mermaid?
Oh, I do want to be a mermaid. Should I be a mermaid?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to be a mermaid too.
There you go. Nighty night. I love you.
Can you be a mermaid?
Okay, you be a mermaid with me. We're going to be mermaids. You know, I don't even know what to say. You guys, I don't even know what to say. I am one blessed woman. I do know that. I mean, it's just life has taken some twists and turns, and I feel pretty dadgum blessed. So, you guys have a fantastic rest of your Monday. We made it. Yee! Tomorrow's Tuesday. Yeah, so we will see you on the next video, friends. You have a fantastic evening. Get some rest. See you on the next video. Bye, everybody.